Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I would like to continue my previous video entitled How Business Insurance Can Help Your Company Navigate Difficult Times. So this is the second part of the video. Workers' compensation insurance policies provide several types of coverage, including medical expenses, covers the cost of medical treatment for the sick or injured worker. Lost income pays out part of the employee's wage if they need to take time off from work because of that illness or injury they sustain. Ongoing care covers expenses incurred if the employee requires extended medical care due to a work-related injury or illness, including rehabilitation costs. Disability benefits cover medical bills and some lost wages of employees who become disabled because of a workplace accident. Death benefits pays out funeral and burial expenses and provides financial benefits for beneficiaries of employees who die due to a job-related injury or illness. 9. Business interruptions insurance. Business interruption insurance, also called BI or business income coverage, is designed to protect companies against financial losses incurred from the disruptions of their operation resulting from an insured peril. We will discuss this type of policy in detail in our coverage highlighted below. 10. Cyber insurance. Cyber insurance plans are designed to protect business against financial losses resulting from cyber incident. Policies typically provide two types of protection. First-party coverage. This type of coverage pays out for the financial losses the business incurred due to cyber incident, including cost of responding to a data breach, cost of restoring and recovering lost or damaged data, lost income resulting from business interruption, ransomware attack payment, risk assessment of future cyber attacks, cost of informing customers about the cyber incident, anti-fraud services. Third-party coverage. This provides financial protection against lawsuits filed by third parties, including customers, employees, and vendors for damage caused by the cyber attack on the business. Policies typically cover court and settlement fees and regulatory fines. What are the top risks businesses are facing? Every year, Insurance Behemoth Alliance surveys thousands of businesses from about 90 countries and territories and more than 20 industries to find out which risks these companies see as posing the greatest threat to their operation. Here are the 10 biggest risks businesses across the globe are facing, according to Alliance's latest risk barometer report. Cyber incidents such as cyber attacks, IT failure or outage, data breach, and their corresponding fines and penalties. Business interruption including supply chain disruption, natural catastrophes including storms, flooding, earthquakes, wildfire, and other weather events. COVID-19 outbreak such as health and workforce issues and restrictions on movement, changes in legislation and regulation including trade wars and tariffs, economic sanction, protectionism, Brexit and Eurozone disintegration, climate change such as physical, operational, financial, and reputational risks resulting from global warming, fire and explosion, market development such as volatility, intensified competition and new entrants, M&A, market stagnation and market fluctuation, shortage of skilled workforce, macroeconomic development including monetary policies, austerity programs, commodity price increases, deflation, and inflation coverage highlight business interruption insurance. The disruptions brought about by COVID-19 pandemic has given prominence to this type of coverage, which has also been the point of contention between insurers and their policyholders. In a sense, business interruptions or BI cover is designed to protect business from loss of income and additional costs incurred if their operation are forced to shut down because of an unexpected event. Insurance companies, however, argue that the loss should result from material damage caused by property. How does business interruption insurance work? Business interruption insurance provides companies financial protection for the losses they suffer because of the disruptions of their operation caused by an insured event. It pays out the operating costs while the business temporarily shut down. These costs include potential revenue, mortgage or rent on commercial space, business loan repayments, employee salaries, taxes. Some policies also provide coverage for additional expenses related to the closure, such as those accompanying the setting up of temporary location or the training of staff to use new equipment. For small and medium-sized enterprises, BI coverage is often include a business owner's policy, which bundles different coverage companies need, including general liability, commercial property, and workers' compensation cover. Business interruption policies typically entail a 48 to 72-hour waiting period to kick in. This is indicated in the policy restoration period, which initially lasts for 30 days but can be extended to up to a year. What are the top causes of business interruption? A 5-year data analysis of insurance claims conducted by leading insurers AGCS has found that fire and explosion were the leading causes of business disruption globally. In terms of business interruption triggers, 52% of respondents said cybercrime, which was driven by the recent spate of ransomware attacks, was by the one fared the most, followed by natural catastrophes, pandemic outbreak, and the transportation and shipping disruption. Does business interruption insurance cover COVID-19 related losses? Whether business interruption policies should cover losses caused by the coronavirus pandemic has been a contention issue between insurance companies and businesses affected by the outbreak. The insurance industry has maintained that pandemic cannot be covered because of the scale of their impact. Pandemic are an extraordinary catastrophe that can impact nearly every economy in the world, so it is hard to predict and manage the risk, said Sean Kevaligan, Chief Executive Officer of the Insurance Information Institute, in a 2020 statement. Pandemic-caused losses are excluded from standard business interruption policies because they impact all business all at the same time. This, however, has not prevented companies seeking compensation from taking their argument to court. The University of Pennsylvania Carey Law School COVID-19 coverage litigation tracker has recorded more than 2,300 lawsuits over business income coverage, with the majority of lawsuits coming from companies in the food service sector. So, this is the end of the article. Don't forget to watch the previous video, and also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!